So welcome back. Again, we had to stop halfway through. Our time was nearly out. So um, let's go back here and take a look at this problem about the Gallup poll. What sample size is necessary to be within plus or minus 4% using a 95% confidence interval? So again, we had to use margin of error. We don't know what p hat is. We're going to use p hat as the worst case scenario. That's why we have here our 5.5, our 50%. So again, we're using the worst case scenario so that our standard deviation is the highest as it could be. So when we do that, we're trying to find n, the number of samples. We want to know the sample size that we need. So when you do that again, how do we get rid of this and solve? We're going to first move this 1.96 by dividing. So that's where we do here. So we're going to divide both sides by 1.96, and then we square both sides. When you square this, again, you're going to cross multiply. So 1.96 times 0.25, and that's going to be equal to 0.04 squared. Oh, excuse me, that's 1.96 squared times 0.25. And this is n times 0.04 squared. And then once you get those values, you're going to divide by that 0.04 squared. And we should get 0.0 or 600.25, or just over 600. But as the book stated over and over, that we are not going to have that decimal here, that we're going to round up on the sample size. So we round up to 601, even though like 0.2, we still round to a whole number greater than. So 601. So the sample size, the minimum sample size we need is 601 for a 95% confidence interval of plus or minus 4%. And that concludes our video on Chapter 19 on confidence intervals.